there's a special tag in HTML called the break tag. And it looks like this. It's like an image in that it's only an opening tag. It doesn't have a close tag. And this tag has a very specific purpose, but it's very easy to abuse it. What the break tag does is it creates a new line. So let me show you a way where you can abuse it very easily. So here's my example. I have some text, and then I have a break, and then I have some more text. So I'm going to go look at that in the browser here. And you'll notice that the browser puts a line break between those two lines of text. The break tag, though, the purpose of the break tag is not to put a line in there. That's what it does, yes. But we use it as a way to denote that that line break is an important part of the content. So take two examples. One example would be an address. So inside of an address, we have different ways of formatting the address, and the address needs to be formatted that way to be understood. So an address would look something like this: 123 Super Street, amazing city and province, and then a postal code. So this is sort of what an address looks like when it's formatted. If we check that in our browser, you can see that the browser just mashes it all together. And that's okay. But what we want to do is, because an address is a very specific thing and the formatting is very important, the break right here and right here are actual parts of the content. So they're important parts of the content. So we can put them in there because that's how we want the address to be formatted. Another example of when you might use a break tag is in a poem. So each line of a poem must be on its own line. Each stanza would be a paragraph, and then each line would have a break after it to denote that that break is an important part of a content. But the BR tag should never ever be used to just create some space in your website. That is what CSS is for.